Shower thoughts, but only about animals. Thinking about animals like they're glitched NPCs. 1. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance, and honestly, they earned that name. 2. Cows have best friends, so somewhere there's a cow crying because Becky isn't in the same pasture. 3. Turtles can breathe through their butts, and now I'm jealous of a reptile. 4. Ducks sleep with one eye open. Literally, half their brain stays awake to watch for danger. Me during naps when guests are over. 5. If dogs could talk, they'd probably never stop roasting us for leaving them to go to work. Animals are either smarter than us or just vibing way harder. Drop your favorite weird animal fact, subscribe for more creature chaos.